Hey everyone, Corbin here with My Tennessee Home Solution. Every house is a story. The birthday parties, family dinners, holiday celebrations, years of memories made within the walls. That's why selling a home can feel like such a big decision. For many of the families we work with, it's not just about the property, it's about what comes next. We recently helped a homeowner who was downsizing after living in their home for decades. They didn't want months of showings, repairs, and uncertainty. They wanted a simple path forward. Today, they're enjoying their next chapter, and this home is getting ready for a new family to create memories of their own. If you're considering your options, whatever that might be, selling the property in a very short amount of time or longer in the future, call 615-637-SOLD. We'd be happy to help.
We'll buy your home today, no need to delay. My Tennessee Home Solution.